Have you ever fought an enemy that you can't even see? Welcome to the world of Radaghast Thorne. In this realm of enchantment and peril, our stalwart hero, Radaghast, was once a figure of robust strength, a pillar of vitality. Yet his life was shattered, not by a visible foe but by an unseen adversary, the insidious Sciatica. Imagine a malevolent force, a relentless antagonist that manifests itself as chronic low back pain, casting a dark shadow over a vibrant life. Radaghast's world, once filled with promise, now echoes with the grim toll of his struggle. Confusion and despair became his unwanted companions as he grappled with the invisible enemy. This was a battle unlike any other, a battle against an enemy that lurked within, invisible to the eye but palpable in its torment. However, in every tale of courage, there is always a spark of hope. For Radaghast, it came in the form of an elven bicycle. In the darkest hour, help arrived in the most unexpected form, an elven bicycle. This wasn't just any bicycle, it was a mystical artifact, steeped in the ancient wisdom of the elves. Forged with elven magic, it emanated an ethereal glow, a testament to its otherworldly origin. The lore surrounding it was as enchanting as the bicycle itself. It was said to carry the power to conquer the most formidable of foes, to navigate the most treacherous terrains, and to heal the deepest of wounds. It was a beacon of hope in a world shadowed by darkness. From the moment Radaghast laid eyes on the bicycle, a profound connection sparked. It wasn't merely a mode of transport, it was a steadfast companion, a symbol of resilience and defiance. In its presence, Radaghast felt an unseen force bolstering his spirit, fueling his determination to battle the relentless Sciatica. With the elven bicycle by his side, Radaghast was ready to face his unseen enemy. Armed with hope and the elven bicycle, Radaghast set out on his journey, confronting Sciatica head-on. Every turn of the cycle's wheel, every beat of his heart echoed with the resounding courage of a hero facing his nemesis. The landscapes morphed into hostile terrains. Mythical beasts sprang forth, each a grotesque embodiment of Sciatica. Yet Radaghast was undeterred. With the elven bicycle as his steadfast ally, he pedaled through rocky paths and murky marshes, the enchanted cycle's power pulsating through him, easing his low back pain. Each confrontation, each victory, strengthened his bond with the mystical artifact. It was more than a mode of transport now. It was an extension of his will, the tangible proof of his defiance. Through the treacherous landscapes and formidable foes, the bicycle's magic danced with Radaghast's resilience, intertwining in a beautiful ballet of strength and hope. Though the battle was far from over, every victory fueled Radaghast's determination. The climax of this epic struggle arrived like a thunderclap. Sciatica, in all its malevolent fury, sought to break Radaghast's spirit. But the elven bicycle, steadfast and unwavering, glowed with a radiant light. Its magical power surged, driving back the pain and empowering Radaghast. The bicycle was not just a mode of transport, but a symbol of defiance, a beacon of hope amidst adversity. With a roar of triumph, Radaghast pedaled onward, the elven bicycle's magic coursing through him. The shadow of Sciatica receded, its grip on his life weakening with each passing moment. The once relentless low back pain was replaced by a sense of relief, of liberation. Radaghast had not just survived the battle, he had emerged victorious. In the end, Radaghast Thorne didn't just defeat Sciatica, he reclaimed his life, proving that with hope and resilience, no enemy is unconquerable. This tale reminds us that even in the face of the most formidable foes, the human spirit, when armed with hope and resilience, can triumph.